If you want to connect a PS5 controller to your Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we're going to proceed to Connections. Then you want to choose Bluetooth, and of course, make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled. Next, we need to turn on our DualSense controller and immediately put it into the pairing mode. And to do this, we need to press and hold the PlayStation button and the Create button. So we're going to press and hold both of these buttons at the same time. And if you do this correctly, you will see flashing blue light. There we go. So now you might notice that the lights are flashing in here. So now we can tap on Scan in the upper right corner to refresh the list of available devices, and then over here we have our DualSense wireless controller, so we need to select it, and of course confirm that we want to pair, and there we go. You can also use the touchpad once you connect to the controller. You can of course use buttons as well, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.